Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's project replacing underdoor seal in your house. And if this video will be helpful for you, please make sure you give me a like and subscribe to this channel. This is going to be a really simple process, and for this job you're gonna need the actual underdoor seal, which you can buy in any local hardware store, some kind of scissors or cutters, because this rubber seal is going to be a little bit slightly bigger than the one installed in the door. Caulking gun and silicone. I'm using clear, especially if you have a color door. So clear silicone and a knife. That's all you need, and a sunny weather ideally. So the first thing is actually to buy a correct door seal, and the easiest way actually to do it, if you doing it in a sunny day, you can remove the old one and go with it to the store and match it up, or you can remove it and take a picture. Anyway, because there's a few of those that looks very similar, but this locking mechanism has a different width, so there's a good chance you could buy a wrong one, like I did, by the way. Anyway, to remove the old door seal, you either need a screwdriver, or most likely just pry it from over here. Easy, just like that. And that's it. It's out. So before you proceed, again, double check that it's exactly the same width. Yes, it is. And just an idea, if you want to save a little bit of money, as you can see, this rubber flops over here are bent one way. So if you really want to save some money and you see some water coming through, you actually can, as you can see, it's identical on both sides. You can install it the other way around, so it could last you a little bit longer. So why do you need the cutting mechanism or some kind of cutters or something like that? If you're gonna lay it exactly over here, it's about quarter of an inch longer than your door. Line up, and you can measure or you can just eyeball it. That's the length different. And as you can see, you're gonna have to cut those tabs a little bit after you're done with that. So I need to cut okay. Now that it's even, you could see those tabs on the new one are about ½ inch longer now than the one that I removed from the door. And you're gonna have to cut it off, otherwise it's just not gonna lock, because this groove inside the door don't go all the way to the edge. They stop about the ½ inch or something like that. So to remove that, same process. Okay, just like that. And before I apply caulking silicone on this thing, I gotta make sure that I got the correct length and it will fit inside the door. So you just slide it under, line up with the edge. And just pop it. So it's easier, you actually want to open the door all the way. Now you just close the door. To see if it locks up. And that's it. You could leave it at that. So the reason I'm actually gonna be doing some caulking over here, because my house, or the entrance door, facing west, and over here in Indiana, that's most of our storms, rains are coming this way. And over here, just in the corner over here, there is a little crack, a little chance for the water to get through. So what I do, I actually put a small bead of clear silicone right here, right over here on the edge, from the side that the water potentially gonna come. And additionally, I actually do a little silicone over here right in the corner, which door never gonna seal it perfectly, so I seal over here right in the corner. Before that, I had a little drips of water floating inside the house, so now with this kind of extra protection, that works a lot better for me. So cut a little tip over here. You don't need a big hole. And because each tube has actually a sealed tube, you're gonna have to poke a hole, which every caulking gun should have a little needle like this. So you just poke it through, and you're ready to go. And now you just apply a little small bead over here, right? Well, apparently I bought it by mistake. It says clear though. It says clear, but the caulking has white. A surprise from my hardware store. That's Menards. Anyway, just like that. And one on the other side. Right here, just the outside edge. I guess magically maybe this thing will dry and it's gonna turn clear, but I really doubt it. Now you gotta be a little bit more careful when you have caulking, so you want to do it at one. Line up with the edge, so when you pop just the corner over here, and now you just proceed, make sure that it locks from both sides. And that's it. And now, and when you see some of this caulk and squeeze out over here at the end, all you need just something wet finger, just like that. That's it. That's how easy it is. So if you have a project like this at home, nothing to be scared about. Good luck with your project.